Today we'll talk about how can you disable comments notifications on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on settings down here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So you keep going down. When here notification settings show for you, you just click on it. Then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you click here on your child album. Here just click on it. Then here you come to comments notification. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean comment notification disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.